A rain frog. Not what you'd expect in a place that gets just 7 centimetres of rain a year. To survive here, she has to avoid the heat of the day, buried in the sand. But each night she heads out on her hunt for moisture. Short, stumpy legs and a plump body are ideal for digging, but not so good for getting around. The world's slowest steeplechaser. Obstacles are tackled with dogged perseverance. She can travel a whopping 38 metres a night. No mean feat when you're the same size and shape as a marshmallow. Termites. They are 75% water. A meal and a drink in one. But she's not the most agile predator. Maybe if they just came a little closer. Oh dear. At last. But now she has another challenge. To swallow her food, she must squash in her eyeballs to push it down her throat. At night, cool, moist air is blown in from the ocean, forming fog banks that shroud the desert in mist. It condenses on vegetation, wetting the sand beneath. So it's here that she waits, absorbing moisture through her skin. And on the foggiest nights, when other frogs have emerged onto the dunes, she takes her opportunity to find love. Male rain frogs are smaller than the females, and his stubby legs make it hard to hold on. So he glues himself onto her back. Still locked in their embrace, the pair head back beneath the sand, where they'll lay their eggs, safe from the heat of the desert sun.